All right, last question, number 14. Now, this one requires a little bit of insight. It's actually easier than it looks, but it's one of those questions that the test is trying to get you to understand the wording of the question. All right, so the wording, I'm just going to highlight really quick. The thing that can throw us is this, a faster rate. Okay, now that is not an absolute amount. It doesn't say how much faster, it just says a faster rate. So let's read this and see what we're going to have to deal with. Darren and his friends save money for a vacation. Darren starts with $120 in savings. Each week, Darren adds $40 to his savings. Okay, so from what we know, Darren starts with $120. He adds $40 per week. We don't know how many weeks, so we're just going to say X. And that's going to equal Y amount of dollars, as in we don't know how much he has because we don't know how long he's been saving. Okay, so the X is weeks and the Y is dollars. Okay, so he started with 120, he adds $40 every week, and he ends up with some amount of money. Okay, so that's really what we know so far. Darren's friend also begins with $120 in savings, but saves at a faster rate than Darren. All right, so now we know that he has the same amount of money in the beginning, $120. We know he's doing at least $40, but it's faster. It's a little bit more than $40. And we still don't know how many weeks. We don't know how much money there is. So we're going to have to interpret this to create an equation that could represent the amount of money, Y in dollars, that Darren's friend saves for X weeks. Okay, so I'm going to just say this way, literally any number greater than 40 would be a correct answer here. Because, like I said, these tests try to get you to understand or to show that you understand the wording of the problem. So this is Darren, all of this right here. He has $120, he adds $40 a week exactly for how many weeks to get how much money. All right. Darren's friend also starts with $120. He adds more than $40 a week. So literally, you could say $41 times X weeks equals Y. You could even say 81 or $40.50. It doesn't matter. As long as you show that this is more than that. And that is literally the kind of answer they're looking for. So when you take a test like this on the computer knows that if you put in a number larger than 40 for his friend, so that we know that it's a faster rate, then it understands that you understand the wording of the problem. So we could just put it like this. In terms of Y, Darren's friend starts with $120. He adds more than Darren, more than $40 per week. That's it.